positive side solder, please remember one thing, that this LED is very sensitive to heat. So just contact the soldering tip as minimum as possible, otherwise this LED will damage. Now our LED has been completed. We will test the LED with the help of a multimeter. So all that I have soldered. Now the this side. Okay, I'll quickly do that. Giving good contact so that all the LEDs will pass. Do not touch more time. Just touch as little as possible so that LED will not be damaged. And this soldering will automatically flow to the lid. Okay, I think all. Here one LED is missing, which we have to put. I'll test that one. Now we'll test all the LEDs. One line. All the pairs will be glow nicely. Okay, vertical position is okay. Now we'll check this position. This is also good, also good. This is also good, this is also good. This is also good. This is also good. Okay, now these two. Okay, these two. What is the problem? Okay, soldering is missing. Here we have to do the solder. Okay, now we will check quality. I think LED is, we have to check the LED. Okay. Okay, almost all are working except this one. We'll check and come back. We'll check that LED. Okay, this is individual LED. This is glowing. Okay, we have completed our all the LED soldering of LED. It has nicely come out. So again we'll check once. Now I'll clean the board with the help of some liquid. This is the liquid I'll put here, and I'll clean all the husk. It will give a nice look, and whatever the left of flask it will remove. It will remove all the dirt also. Okay. Friends, now we'll put all the component on the back side of the board. Here you can see this R1 to R5. It is 105 resistance. R1 and R2. R1 and R2 is 1 M. That means 105 resistance. Here 105 is there. This is 105 resistance. This is 105 resistance. We'll use 2 number. Then R3, here R3 is the 2K. That means 202. Here Banggood has given 2 number. We will use 1. Then R4, R4, R5, R6 to R8. It is 10K. That means 103 resistance. And this C1 is the 220. This capacitor here. This is the C1. This capacitor will be put. Then C2 and C3. C2 and C3, where it is there, C2 and C3 is here. Here this is the SMD capacitor, so it will put. As the resistance and SMD capacitor does not have any polarity, so you can randomly put in any direction, but please ensure the 220 microfarad capacitance it is having polarity. So as per the negative positive we have to put. So R1 and R2 will be 105 capacitance, resistance. So we will remove the 105. 105 we will remove this side. Again this is very tiny, so be careful. R1 R2, this where it is R1 R2, this first two. Okay, we'll put R1 R2 first. We'll put some solder flask because it is not going properly. Everywhere we'll put, here also, and this also. Fill the tape. Again I will do. Now it is okay. R2 will go R2. Okay, now we'll put R3 and R4. R3 is 2K, so we'll take one 2K out of the 2. Here is the 2K. We'll remove only one because one is only required. This is the 2K, is 220 ohms. 202 is the marking on the resistance. 2K. Now we'll put R4. Now we'll put R4, R5. R4 to R8 is 10K. So we are having this bigger one, 6. Out of 6 we may record 5. R4 to R8, 4. Okay. Here we will go. Just put one LED, one lead. Right, R4, R5, okay, now another 2. R6, R7, and another one. R8. Now we'll put the transistor where it is. Here it is very tiny, be careful. Banggood has given 2 numbers. If one damage, then don't worry, you can use second one, otherwise second one will be standby. This is very critical, so you have to match the lead like this. I have already done a solder point, so like that you have to align right. Okay, so now I'll put the opposite side. I'll complete the solder. Okay, here. Okay, I think here. Just flow the liquid will take. Ensure proper contact for a shorter time, so then your solder will be good, or else it will damage the lead. Okay, this lead is pending. Okay, now you can see where it is. Okay, okay, now it is completed. Oh, right. Now C3, C2 and C3 is 100 NF. We are having 3 SMD capacitance, which 2 we will use. One will be inside the packet. Again here, okay, here one lead. Again here it doesn't have any polarity, so anyway, any direction you can put. Right. Here, right, you just push. Right. All is well. Okay. Okay. Now we'll put the ICs. So in IC you have to be very careful. You can see where it is. Yeah. Here one dot is there. One notch is there. So this notch we have to match with the ICs. Here also, this is the clock IC. Here also one notch, that mark is there. So this mark will match with the, here I will show you one notch. Where it is? Okay. Here one notch is there. So this notch will match it is not very clear. Yes, now it is clear. So here this notch will match with that board, this notch, and this programming IC also I will show you the notch one. You have to be very careful because only one IC each we are having. If anything damaged, then you have to purchase separately. Where it is? See here. Here this notch is here, so that will go to the board. Okay, now it is clear. Here one notch, so we'll put that. So for any IC soldering, you have to put a single point solder first, so that will align We'll first put small one, that will be easy. Here I will put small quantity of solder for this pin. Okay, now I will put, please be sure about the notch. Notch is here, so we are matching the notch here. Align the pin and do a solder. Just check once if okay, all the points are aligned. Okay, now we can do the soldering filling. I'll check with this. We'll just shift a little bit. Now I think it is okay. Right, now we'll do the soldering. I will take another point so that IC will fix in a single point. So here it is a short, so I will remove some excess soldering by moving away. Okay, it is removed. Now it is giving a proper clean shape. I will do this on this side. Okay, so now the one IC has been completed. You can see the joint is not shorting out. I'll check again. It's giving nice. Now we'll go for bigger one. Okay, I'll put 1.1 dot. And then put 1 dot. Some extra residue is there, that's it. So just check the notch. Okay, here. Where it is? Check for the notch. It is here. It is there. It is there. So that point should go to this side. So I'll align the IC like this. Align like this. Okay. I think it has come just to a little bit. We'll check. Okay. Properly fit. You can see the line I have marked 1, and the notch is also in shape. So I will put another solder here so that ice will not shift from his place. Then we'll do the solder. Okay, now it is fixed. Now what I will do, I will apply some more flask here, like this, and here also like this. Then I will take the more solder in the soldering rod, and I will pull this, just pull. It will get it its own way. All the leads will clear. Now in the second part, so take some more solder and just pull. It will give you a nice solder. Now we'll check. See that it is all soldered in a good. See, everything is perfect, no joint. Okay. So now our ICs, the most critical part has been completed. Now we'll put the bigger part, bigger one. So this is the onboard capacitor. This will put. Before that, I will put this. This is the 5-volt power supply. It will put here. So as I initially said that the 3 pin will not be any use in between. So last 2 pin will be used. So we can remove that 3 pin. So we will remove that. So now we will put this power supply point. I have already pointed out a soldering point here. So here 2 leads and balance will solder. Here 1 lead, here another lead. Right. Now we'll put solder in the side point, so it will be strong. It will not break the lead. Okay. Now the last one point here, just pulling it up. Right. So this power supply part is also over. Now we'll put the battery connector. So in that connector, this is the positive, negative. Right, like this it will go. So just filling off with the solder. It will take. Right, again in this part. Good. So this is also completed. Now we'll put the mic. Here in this mic, I'll show you. Here one lead is there, this lead. It is connected to this 3 line. It is very nearby of 3 line. This is negative and this individual one is the positive. So in the board, where it is board, here, one round hole, here one round hole, one square hole. This round hole is the negative, so you have to match this round hole. So we'll put exactly in the circle here. Okay. Now we'll put the solder here. Clean the head. Will give a good. Just one lead, then you set the second. Okay, now it is okay. Okay. We'll cut this lead later on. Now I'll put this onboard, this one onboard capacitor. It is having positive and negative, so is already given, clearly shown in here. So we will apply some solder here, otherwise it will not take. So we'll align this exactly here and apply this. So it will take. Similar way, in this side also we'll just apply some solder, so it will take its own way. Here we'll apply some more. Okay, now it is soldered. Here it is a crystal for clock circuit. So this will put in this way. This does not have any polarity, so in any direction you can put, and afterwards we will solder here like this. So we'll take a solder and put one. Okay, now second one. Okay, now it is over. So we'll apply some solder here to keep this in position. It is not keeping. Now it has hold. Okay, so it is completed. Now we'll put this RGB LED. Here one bigger lead is there. This bigger lead will go to, I'll show you, will go to a marking. Already marking has been shown in the board. Here this middle notch, so here we'll put. So as this will be a back side, so here like this we'll put. This longest lead is a black negative lead, so it will correspond to the black spot. So we have to enter like this, and we'll bend this LED like this, so it will afterwards it will give a good view. So I'll solder this here, one lead first to setting up, then we'll set up the LED. LED is okay. Now we can do all the solder. Oops, yeah. Okay, it is also over. Right. Now we'll cut the lead. Okay. Now we'll put the thermistor. This is a thermistor. So it will just protrude outside from the board. So just we'll put will not cut the lead. We'll just put up. So it is over. Now only one thing is left out, that is buzzer. Buzzer don't have the polarity, so in any way put. Sorry friends, this buzzer is having positive and negative polarity. Here it is a marking has been given, here it is a positive, so this positive will correspond to the this square hole. So we'll put it like this way, like this, like this, like this way, and we'll do the solder. Right. Where it is this. We'll cut the extra lead. Okay, now our board has been completed in every respect. Now we will test the board. I will give a power supply. Now we will test the clock. So basically, after all completion, the clock will be look like this, and behind this another this casing is there, so it will put up here. This is thermistor will be going out, so like this, like this, yeah, it will be like this. Okay, and here in front of this one white paper will come, so it will give a good display. Now we will check how it is look like. Okay, this is a power supply, 5-volt power supply, which easily you can find out from a mobile charger. So here I will give the power supply here. Okay, now it is working fine. So we'll put off this cover. You can see the display, it is not coming properly, so I'll put this paper. Now you see the display. This is Monday. We have to change the timing. This is all zeros, and background also one color is flashing, which we can change later on. This is 28 degrees centigrade real-time temperature. I'll put off the light, so it will give you a nice view. Now you see the display, and it is excellent. And so we'll change the timing. I'll just try to change. This is time. Again I have to put date, alarm, sound, display. This sound is off, so I will on. This is time, so I will put off the time, some random okay, we'll set later on, we'll change this. Time, date, alarm, sound, this is show. So we'll take this model. Okay, we'll come back after setting up all this scenario. So thank you friends for watching my video. I will come with new circuit and this type of videos. Please do subscribe of my video. Thank you very much friends. Now my clock has been completed in all respect. So now I will do the assemble part. Okay, we will remove this protective cloth, protective paper on the board. After removing this, it will give a nice shiny board. Already one side I have removed. You can see this, so it will give a nice display. Okay, now I remove both sides, so it will fit like this. I'll remove these two covers here and one is here. So I'll start from here. I'll take a help of this. Some part it is too sticky, some part it is easy. Okay, now another two part I have to remove. I will start from this side. Okay, removed. Now last part. Very easy to remove. Okay. Removed. Now we will feed the clock. Now I will tear this. I will take this paper. I will tear this paper and paste it here. Paste it from one side. Nicely it will fix. Now take a forceps and mark a, just punch the hole, 4 corner. This will be for screw. Here and here. So here this is screw. Go. Okay. Now we will put this one, will be there, and we will fix first this like we will fit this screw. First we will tight one knot here, like this. And here another knot. You just take a help of a screwdriver. Not too much tight, because then this plastic will damage. This is very light plastic, just for a support has been given. Just light tight, light and tight. It will be enough. Right. And last one here. Yes. Now this is the last part. Here it will just match. Okay, opposite. Just rotate and it will just fit. What happened? Nice. Just fix. So we are having 4 nuts, which we will put up here. Here again. 14, 7 month 14 date. Saturday is the day. $6:54. Right. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like and share. Thank you very much.